Hello, Russell Sage College campus community. This is Sarah Schumann, the Director of Academic Support from the Troy campus. I work alongside Tracy Egan-Lasik, the Director of Academic Support from the Albany campus. This video will show you how to access tutoring and find information about our services. You can always find information on the sage.edu website. Just hover over academics and you'll see academic support. You can read about us, access a request form, or email us. I also suggest that students use Sage Passport and drop into Moodle. You'll see on the Moodle dashboard a prominent tab, Academic Support Tutoring, right next to the Library tab. Click into this tab and you'll find all our helpful links. The first link takes you to our Tutor Services menu and it allows you to book tutoring appointments. So you'll see that we have tutoring offered in a variety of different subject areas. Pick the subject area that you want, and you'll see the tutors who are available. We have professional tutors like Tracy and myself. We have graduate students like Jordan, and we have student undergrad tutors like Emma and Caitlin. Click into the date that you're interested in having tutoring on. You'll see if there's appointments available. For example, I have a 3 p.m. available on Wednesday the 19th. If you want that appointment, you would simply click into the box and an email would generate to me. I would send you a Zoom link and a confirmation of our appointment. If for some reason you don't receive a confirmation, reach out to one of us or our general email and we'll try to figure out what happened. You can also click into classes. This will list our drop-in sessions that are available. This is a listing from last semester. It will be updated once we hear from all our tutors, but you'll see that there's drop-in tutorings that used to happen on a weekly basis, and this is where you'd find the Zoom link and information about it. So keep in mind that on this page you can book appointments and you can also locate our drop-in services. A request form is available. If you're not sure about what you need or you just want to talk to one of us, get some help, please fill out one of these and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Be sure to indicate what campus you're primarily on. And our third link is our Moodle page. Again, this will be updated with new information as we get it, as it becomes available. There's a FAQ page. The request form is also housed here. There's some helpful videos. And this is where you can always find a Smart Thinking link. Sometimes you'll see Smart Thinking on your other course pages, but if you can't find it, you can always find it on our Moodle page. For those of you who do not know about Smart Thinking, this is a 24/7 online tutoring program. It's staffed by professional tutors and we pay for this service, so this wouldn't be peer tutors. Sometimes a system check pops up on your screen. Just click here to continue and you'll see the different services on the top of the screen. If you click into tutoring, you notice you have different options. You have drop-in or schedule a future session. If you need nursing help, it's usually only in schedule a future session. And once you click into it, you'll see when there's appointments available. For example, in drop-in, nursing is not always available. So you want to click around and experiment a little bit with the different options. You can also get writing help. There's a lot of different things that you can do. There's drop-in whiteboard sessions. Let's see. Tutoring in the sciences, for example, if you need help with organic chemistry. This brings you right to a drop-in session with a tutor. So that was a very brief overview of our academic support tutoring services. If you have any questions, just send us an email, rscacademicsupport@sage.edu. We look forward to serving you this semester. Thank you.